Good morning student and welcome to my English literature class. As you know, your course is completed. है ना? तो from today we are going to start our revision work. In your revision work, I will tell you how to write a question paper and some more questions also from the lessons which have you done, जो आप कर चुके हैं उनमें कुछ क्वेश्चंस I am giving you. Okay, now here is the first type of question, very short question. The three types of questions are comes in your exam, very short, short and long. So today I will explain only very short, how to solve the question answer, very short answer. ठीक है? Okay, now the question, who had a pony? This is the question, who had a pony? You have to write the girl had a pony. Okay, what you have to write, the girl had a pony. You have to give the answer of this type question, very short type question, in one line, not one word. Are you getting my point? Not one word. You have to write one line like this, the girl had a pony. Understand? Then only you will get full marks. Otherwise, the teacher will deduct your marks. Now, second is, who is in bad mood? Who is in bad mood? Then answer is, the cow is in bad mood. Okay. Third question, who are waiting for milk? Who are waiting for milk? Children are waiting for milk. Your fourth question, who hide acorns? The squirrel hide acorns. All these questions are from your lessons. This question, I had a pony. This question, milkman's cow. This question also from milkman's cow. And this fourth question is I take from lesson Hiawatha. Okay. Now question 2. Write T for true statements and F for false statements. Whenever you solve this type of question, true and false, you have to read the line very carefully and you have to understand the meaning of the line, then only you have to do the answers. Okay, class 4th, because you have to give the answer. You are having online exam na, so you have to write only T and F. First one is, lady whipped and lashed the pony. Is it true or false? It is true, so you have to write only T. Then wrestler has the strength of 20 horses. Wrestler has the strength of 20 horses. Has the wrestler strength of 20 horses? No, na. Wrestler has the strength of 10 horses. So this statement is false. Now, Hiawatha knows the language of birds. Yes, he knows the language of birds. So it is true. Now, the boy enjoy the company of tree. Yes, the boy enjoy the company of tree because the tree give him shade, apples and so many things. So this one is also right. So you have to write here T. T. It was a mango tree. No, it was a apple tree. So this statement is wrong. Okay, you have to write only T and F for true and false statements. And this is your question, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks will also come in your exam. So here I am giving only examples. These fill in the blanks, don't think these fill in the blanks will come in your exam. These are your examples. Okay. An old stump, and this work you have to do yourself. An old stump is good for decks and decks on. Think about the lesson, the giving tree, and then all these fill in the blanks. He made a desk with trunk. This line is also from I took this line from lesson giving tree. He had decks over many different language. He had decks over many different language. This line is from scholar's mother tongue. The Pandit was decks and expected the truth. Expected the truth. This line is also from scholar's mother tongue. The rabbit was so dash. So you have to write here the word. The rabbit was so. This is from lesson Hayavata. Okay. Now question 4th. Choose the correct option. In this type of question you are having 3 options and you have to choose the correct option. Then you have to write also. Who knows the secret of beast? Naughty boy, Hiawatha and Pinocchio. Absolutely, Hiawatha knows the secret of the beast. So you have to write here in answer like this. Answer Hiawatha. Okay. Now after this, the boy made a house with trunk of trees, branches of tree, stump of tree. What part of the tree the boy used to make his house? So you have to write the right answer only. Now C is the scholar's mother tongue was. What was the scholar's mother tongue? It was Tamil, Telugu, Kannada. Which one? Tamil, Telugu and Kannada. Right one answer you have to write here. Okay. Now student, this work is your submission work. So after completing this work you have to submit the work in your homework portal. Then I will check also this work. Okay. Now as you know, we are taking your Zoom classes. So my dear student, attend your Zoom class. In your Zoom class, all teacher will explain the lesson again. Okay, and in my Zoom class, I will tell you the summary of all lessons. Okay dear, so attend the Zoom classes. Thank you for watching this video. In my next revision worksheet, I will tell you about long answer, reference to context and short type जो आंसर होते हैं ना, I will explain that. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Take care. Bye bye.